guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Shubhangi Anand and I make videos on makeup, skincare, fashion, lifestyle and lot more. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating a beautiful flawless makeup look, and you guys know how base makeup is super important no matter what makeup you are doing, because if your base makeup is good na, your makeup will look flawless. And for that I'm choosing Fit Me range because it is made to fit me as I am. The first product that I'm going to use is this Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer with Vitamin E, and it is for normal to dry skin. The variant is also available which is matte plus polish, so if you have oily skin you can go for that. So this primer extends your makeup wear and it has vitamin E which hydrates and also gives you that luminous dewy finish which lasts up to 12 hours guys, and it is perfect for dry to combination skin. See the glow this product gives is just amazing. It's so smooth and feels so good on the skin, and it also minimizes your pores, and it is perfect before your base makeup because foundation sits so well on this product. So guys, the next product that I'm going to use is this Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Foundation. And guys, this was one of the first foundations to come up with 18 different shades to fit every Indian skin tone. And also guys, when I first started doing makeup, this was my first ever foundation that I used. It has SPF 22 and 16-hour oil control, which is so amazing. If you are confused about what shade is your perfect match, you can just go to Maybelline's website and you can use the tool Virtual Try On. You just have to upload a selfie or a video and the website will tell you which is the perfect shade for you. I'm using the shade 125 and it comes with a pump which is super convenient. What I like to do is first warm up the product and then you have to apply it like this in dots, small dots, so the product is evenly applied on your face. And then you don't have to drag the product like this, you just have to dab the product like this. Look how beautiful is this shade, and it matches me perfectly. And once the product is all blended, whatever is left on your brush, you can just apply it on your neck to match your face and neck. Next guys, I'm going to use this Maybelline's Fit Me concealer with chamomile extracts, and I'm in the shade 20 Sand. I just love this concealer. It is so lightweight and also oil-free formula, and guys, it conceals your blemishes, your redness and also your dark circles. So I'm gonna take the product and apply it here, and I'm gonna bring it down till here, and then I'm gonna do this for the lifted effect. Same on this side and on your forehead. Now let's blend this out with a beauty blender. I'm starting from here and dragging it like this. See? Guys, I'm going to use this Fit Me Matte Plus Polish pressed powder, and I'm in the shade 110 Porcelain. And guys, it has perlite mineral technology which absorbs oil and mattifies your skin. This powder sets and mattifies your makeup, and I'm gonna apply under my eyes like this. Just look at the difference. No crease at all. And one tip I have, before using your pressed powder, just make sure that your makeup is not creasing. If it is, you just have to take a blender like this and blend it out nicely. Once it is all blended out, then apply the powder. I'm also applying it all over my face to mattify the makeup. Now to add flush of color, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me blush, and I'm using the shade 60 Passionate. It's a beautiful shade, and it is not one of those blushes which are very chalky or streaky. It is very smooth, and it is also very pigmented, that lasts up to 16 hours guys. Multiple shades are available of this blush guys, so you can choose which fits and flatters your skin tone. Sun-kissed kind of a look, so you just have to take little bit of the product, dust it off, and then start applying from here and all the way till here, like that. My base makeup is all done. Now to lock everything in, I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me Matte Plus Polish Instant Matte Setting Spray. This is made with witch hazel. It gives you matte finish, seals in your makeup and doesn't clog your pores, and also gives you 24-hour oil control, which is so amazing. First, you just have to shake the product and just apply all over your face. So guys, my makeup is all done and I absolutely love how it all turned out, and the base makeup is looking flawless. I just love this simple makeup look. I do this makeup all the time. So you can achieve this look using Fit Me range products from Maybelline. I'm going to leave the link and offers in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. And this is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and also guys, rate this look from 1 to 10 in the comment section. And yeah, I will see you next time. Bye.